Hey guys, it is Dwayne from Yugatech, and we're back again with the best smartphones in the Philippines under the price point of 10,000 pesos. As a disclaimer, devices mentioned in the list have been released in the first quarter of 2025. Phones listed also fell within the set budget at the time of recording. Our focus is around value for money, and we'll be providing viewers with a quick rundown of what the phones offer. Under this price segment though, I'm sure we'd all like it if a phone had a decent display, ample storage, and reliable performance. That being said, let's dive right in. Kicking things off, we have the Samsung Galaxy A06 5G. This budget-friendly release from Samsung offers a sleek design, enhanced security, and 4 years of software updates and security patches. It has a 6.7-inch display with HD plus resolution and a refresh rate of 90Hz. Powering it is a MediaTek Dimensity 6300, which promises reliability in daily tasks like browsing, streaming, and casual gaming. It's also shipped with One UI 7 out of the box, which offers improved security features from Knox Vault. Other features include its IP54 rating, 3.5mm audio port, and expandable storage via a microSD hybrid slot. The Samsung Galaxy A06 5G retails for 7,190 pesos with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. It is available in light gray and black colorways. Interested viewers may look this up at authorized Samsung retailers, Lazada, Shopee, and Samsung Experience stores. Plus, if you get this before June 30, you get a free travel adapter as well. Moving on, we have the HMD Crest. It's an entry-level offering with decent performance that supports 5G connectivity. What makes this phone stand out is that you can repair it yourself. In case you missed it, we've recently reviewed this device and showed that it's easy to take apart and fix. Of course, we also mentioned that you need a specific set of screwdrivers and gentle hands for it to work. Specs-wise, it has a nice 6.67-inch OLED screen with FHD plus resolution and a refresh rate of 90Hz. It's also equipped with a Unisoc T760 with support for expandable storage via a microSD card. Optics include a 50-megapixel main paired with a 2-megapixel depth sensor. For selfies, it also has a 50-megapixel front-facing camera. It ships with Android 14 out of the box, which might irk some users. However, it does come with 2 years worth of quarterly security patches. Lastly, it has a 5,000 mAh battery with support for 33 watts of fast charging. It has a decent enough score on PC Mark's Work 3.0 battery test as well, offering us 14 hours and 30 minutes of uptime. The HMD Crest retails for 7,999 pesos with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. Next, we have the realme C75. This phone's highlights are with its display and certifications. For starters, it has an IP69 rating that allows it to handle high-pressure water jets and temperature. It also has an improved internal frame with shock resistance to make it safe from drops. At the front, it has a 6.72-inch display with support for FHD plus resolution. For cameras, the C75 kept the same setup from its predecessor. In other words, you get a single 50-megapixel rear shooter and a 8-megapixel selfie snapper. On the upside, you get a big 6,000 mAh battery with support for 45 watts of Super VOOC fast charging. Wrapping up, the phone is powered by a Helio G92 Max chipset and will ship with realme UI 5 based on Android 14. Other features include its 3.5mm audio port, mono loudspeaker, and a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. The realme C75 retails for 8,199 pesos with 8GB of RAM, 128GB of storage, and expandable storage up to 2TB via a dedicated microSD card slot. You can also opt for a higher base storage variant with 256GB at a higher price of 10,199 pesos. But that's out of our budget, so you can look into it, but up to you. Wrapping up the list, we have the Neo 3 5G. This is Nubia's latest entry-level gaming device that sports a mech-like design. It has a 6.8-inch display with a refresh rate of 120Hz. Under the hood, it's powered by a Unisoc T8300 chipset. Plus, it packs a large 6,000 mAh battery with support for 33 watts of fast charging. Not only that, this phone also supports bypass charging, allowing it to draw power directly from outlets instead of its own battery. This is great for extending the battery's lifespan. Other highlights include its dual rear cameras, AI features, and shoulder triggers that work as additional gaming controls. The phone also comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor and stereo speakers. At the time of recording, the Nubia Neo 3 is priced at 9,199 pesos with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. It's available in Cyber Silver, Titanium Gold, and Shadow Black color options. Well, that should be it for the list. Did any offerings pique your interest? Which phone do you think is the best pick from the group? Let us know in the comments below. If you found the video informative or interesting, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for our future uploads. You may also follow us on our socials at Facebook, Instagram, X, TikTok, and check us out at yugatech.com for all the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Dwayne, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next one.